Hello guys. Now, a conversation inaendelea hapa ya dynasties after Kasongo kushikana na Gideon Moi. Of course, in politics anything can happen and that one was expected to happen. Saizi Kasongo zile stories alikuwa anapeana between hustlers and dynasty, now he has shifted. Why is he doing this? He's doing this because he's targeting 2027. Now, after Gideon Moi kukubali hiyo deal, he stepped down for the by-election that is happening in Baringo next month, November 27th. Now, these are the benefits. Ruto amempromise deputy prime cabinet secretary. Hiyo executive order very soon utasikia, you'll hear. Deputy prime cabinet secretary is going to be created as an executive order from the president himself. 5 PSs watu wake wa KANU tauma hiyo, 5 PSs from KANU. Another 2 positions, ambassadorial positions. Hizo ni benefit zitaenda kwa KANU after Gideon Moi kukubali hiyo deal. Remember, this is a dynasty. Don't forget, Raila Odinga pia kwa the broad-based government is also there. Not forgetting dynasty ya Kenyatta's is also inside, because zile positions zile ukipaiwa na Kafogo ama Kabogo, not forgetting this other one, Lee Kinyanjui, wale waliingia around that time last year walikuwa ni watu wa Uhuru Kenyatta. Those are dynasty. So the only way we can do away with dynasties in this country ni kura yako ndio unafaa utumie. Sasa hizi kura zinaendelea, watu wanaendelea kushika kura, unaambiwa shika kura, hiyo ndio nguvu yako. That is the power you have. You'll use it come 2027 to break this dynasty. Wewe bado unaringaringa kwa hapo. We have to do this. This is the only way we'll do away with these dynasties come 2027. Remember guys, we must talk about Kenya because Kenya is our business. Thank you. See you in the next one.